Hey everybody, what's up? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. Welcome to my channel. My name is Annie. If you guys are new here, welcome. Now, what I did want to say is that I actually did already film this before, so I'm actually going to be just showing you guys what I got in the box and a couple of things I did actually already try out because of that. But there is one thing that I wanted to address that I got within my last Boxycharm, and that was in the premium box for the month of March, and that is the Keys Soul Care Skin Transformation Cream. Now this product unfortunately broke me out so bad. It basically made me have cystic acne and it was really terrible. There aren't many ingredients that really give me skin sensitivity, and I don't think that I really have sensitive skin. However, my skin is super reactive to dimethicone, so I don't know if you guys seen my previous video, but I was a little bit scared that there was dimethicone in this, and unfortunately that was the case. However, I still wanted to love it because I love Alicia Keys, so I kept using it and it turned out to break me out, like literally all over my face. I've never had such terrible skin in so long. Since I discovered that dimethicone is what triggers my skin to break out, like terribly bad. So with that said, I am no longer using this, and instead I'm thinking of perhaps using it on like somewhere that wouldn't be as reactive like my face, perhaps like on my feet or something. I don't know, but I really don't want to waste it, so I'm going to figure out a different way to use it. But yeah, so because I'm not going to be using these products on my face today and I have tried them out before, I'm going to tell you guys my experience with these individual items, if I have used it or not. I'll let you guys know within this video. So let's go ahead and jump into the first product within my box. Since I did already film this, I did also lose my lip balm, and I think I might have thrown it into my purse. It must have fallen out because I cannot find it for the life of me. And that is the Indata Hydrating Lip Balm, and unfortunately I really liked this. I actually used this for maybe like a week before I discovered it was gone, and I am so sad because it actually was pretty good. It kind of had like a tingly feeling and was super hydrating for me, and I'm a person that has very chronically dry lips, so I was really enjoying this and I'm really sad that it's gone. Hopefully it'll turn up, but I did want to let you guys know I did enjoy this lip balm. The next product that I got in my April boxy was the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo. Now this was part of her Valentine's Day collection, and I actually was going to pick that up, but I ended up not picking it up, so I'm kind of happy that I didn't because I ended up getting it in my Boxycharm anyways. These are the shades in here. So you've got the blush on this side, and then on this side here you have the highlighter. I do have the blush on my face right now, so I have it kind of like across my nose. I'm also wearing it in my eyelid area as well. However, I will say if you guys are using it within your eye area, it does have a tendency to crease. So just be aware. But what I do is I just tap it out. I was actually pleasantly surprised with this month's box, and I'm pretty happy with a lot of the things that I got in here. There was only one item that I can think of that wasn't so good, but anyways, I digress. Let's go into the next product, which is the Dr. Brandt Eye Cream. So this is supposed to be good for wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness. And I've been using this pretty much every day. I kind of miss a few days here and there, not gonna lie, but I did notice that it did decrease like my dark circles and my puffiness and a little bit of the wrinkles. So with the short amount of time that I've been using this so far, I am really enjoying it. It's not a miracle cream, you know, it definitely does take time to work, but I really do like this. The next item that I got in my Boxycharm is this oil here, and that's the Mitchell and Peach English Leaf Body Oil. Guys, this smells so good. It smells like fresh cut flowers, you know, like when you kind of freshly cut like the stems. That's what it smells like to me. I've been using this a little bit on my legs, but there's still so much just because it is an oil. I have not been using it like a lot because where I'm at, I can't really wear shorts. It's still freezing cold. But yeah, I definitely will be using this continuously within the summer months just to make sure that I have hydrated skin. The next product that I got in my Boxycharm is this right here, and that is the Herbivore Serum Retinol Alternative Smoothing Serum. I have not used this yet. I'm currently trying to go through one of my serums that I'm using from The Ordinary. So once I'm done that, I will be using this next. But with that said, I'll keep you guys updated in my next Boxycharm on how I feel about this product. Particularly, I have been dying to try out products from Herbivore, so for me, I'm super excited to try this out. And again, I'm so happy with the products that I have in my box. These were my premium boxy choices, and so far I do love this, and I'm guessing I'm probably gonna like this too, but we will see, and I'll keep you guys posted on how I feel about this Boxycharm serum. The last product I got in my box is this liquid liner by My Beauty brand X by Me, and let me tell you guys how this is not something I recommend in the slightest. There is not a product or eyeliner that I dislike more than this one. Basically, when I filmed the unboxing the first time and I tried it on, after I got off the camera, I noticed how much it smudged all underneath my eyes, on my lid, literally. I don't know how, but I think it was on my arm or maybe on my fingers. I don't know. I'm not even trying to be dramatic, but essentially it never set. It was almost like it turned to like, I don't even know. I don't even have words to how I hate this eyeliner. But again, I don't like being wasteful, so I'm still gonna use it. So what I do with eyeliners that I don't really enjoy too much is I take it and I kind of use it on my older eyelash pairs, and I just kind of use it to color that lash band, just so that it's not gonna show the eyeshadow fallout. But yeah, that's what I do with eyeliners that don't work out, and that's how I get use out of them. I hate being wasteful if I don't have to be, so that's how I plan to use that, and typically then it doesn't budge. But yeah, that is all that I got within the April Boxycharm. The theme for Boxycharm's April box is Boxy Spring Revival. The Natasha Denona Cheek Duo is $42 MSRP. The Herbivore Botanicals Boxycharm Retinol Alternative Smoothing Serum was $54. The Dr. Brandt Eye Cream was $82. The Mitchell & Peach English Leaf Body Oil was $68. And the My Beauty brand X by Me Black Liquid Liner was $20. So grand total of the entirety of my April Boxycharm is $291. Which to me, I thought that this month's Boxycharm was phenomenal. Again, I do have the premium box, so it is like $39.99, and I kind of was thinking about going and downgrading to the base box. So now I'm not too sure, because I do actually like this month's box. Last month's and the month before that I wasn't too sure, but this one I do actually like. Let me know if you guys have the base box and or the premium box, if you guys are enjoying your subscription. Again, to me, I really like what I got this month, and again, I love everything except for this black eyeliner. And I have not yet tried the Boxycharm serum, but I'm very excited to try this Herbivore Boxycharm oil. And again, I'll keep you guys posted on my next Boxycharm unboxing or try on, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. But yeah, if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a like if you do like my videos, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, have a great day.